Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the app and granting camera and storage access so the generator can save and scan codes. Next, choose the content type, URL, text, Wi-Fi credentials, vCard, or payment link, because each uses different encoding. Once done, paste or type the precise URL or contact info. Small typos break the code. Make sure to collect any images or logos now, as embedding them requires higher resolution. This first step gets you into creation mode, fast, and prevents rework. You'll now input your data and tweak technical options so the code performs reliably. Increase error correction, M or Q, if you'll embed a logo. Higher correction lets the code remain readable despite obstructions. Then customize colors but maintain strong contrast. For example, dark foreground on a light background is best. Once you change size and margin, preview at target scale and select PNG or SVG. This ensures you export the right format and DPI for print or digital use. Finish by exporting the code and saving a copy with a clear file name so you can version control edits. Then, critically, test the QR with multiple phones and camera apps to confirm scan speed and destination accuracy. If linking to a form, complete the form to verify expected fields receive values. Finally, distribute the tested file and keep an editable master. One troubleshooting tip: if scans fail, increase contrast, raise error correction, or make the modules larger before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.